Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch to demo account on Trading 212. So first of all, you need to simply launch your Trading 212 application. Afterwards, you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you log in into your account, by default, you will be on the home page, but you need to tap on these three lines in the top bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then you just have to scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find this last option of switch to practice. So when you tap on this particular option, you will be asked whether you want to switch to practice to the investment account or the CFD account. So you need to simply select the type of account in which you want to switch to. For example, let's say I've selected the invest account. So now it is going to show you this type of invest account in front of you. So this is how you can switch to the demo account on Trading 212. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.